my channel. So I'm back with another video. This time I'm prepared and I got my wig grip on in advance. So Unice has really stepped up the wig game lately, and they have a new wig out called the Bye Bye Knots wig, where they're finally bleaching knots, because y'all know Unice did not bleach knots. So they're finally bleaching knots, and it comes pre-cut. So pre-cut, pre-bleached, and it comes with baby hairs, y'all. Like, all work done. You're literally supposed to take it out the box, put it on, and then maybe match the lace a little bit with some foundation or something like that. But it's literally supposed to be one of the easiest out of the box wigs out. So I got a curly one this time. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So this one is 24 inches and it's a water wave. So that's one of my favorite textures from Unice. But look, y'all. Look at the hairline and look at the baby hairs already. It literally comes, take it out the back, put it on your head, okay? Okay, so this is how it comes, y'all. I don't know why they still look like eyelashes to me. But let's see. So here is the inside. So, you know, it has the elastic band, and then this one is also the breathable one, which I like because this cap is like, I don't know, something about it fits better than the other caps. It's like super stretchy, but it's not tight. I don't know, it fits better to me than the normal wig cap, and it has the grips around it to keep it from sliding. But I'm gonna add a little bit of foundation to the lace, and then I'm gonna put it on. So this is what it looks like. Oh shit. And shook it all over the wig. Mainly on like the hairline part. Every time. It's gonna get me every time. Oh, it feels so soft. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Fresh out of the box. No work done. Literally just plopped on my head. And I'm actually gonna slide it back a little bit. The fit, again, is really good. Y'all know I don't like losing forehead, so I'll be trying to push it back as far as I can. What am I gonna use? I think I'm gonna use mousse. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So I'm gonna fix the baby hairs a little bit like this, like I did in the last video, show you guys what it looks like. And then I'm gonna do what I would do and show you guys that part. So with these baby hairs, I'm just gonna use, this one is, I wanna use this one last because it's so sticky. I'm gonna go in with this one. And just in case you're scared to cut it and wanna know what it would look like.
Take it away.
Let's put some, do I wanna put this mousse in the hair? Yeah, I do. I'm gonna use this water body.
Good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging on myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah.
This is what it looks like. You can see my wig cap, but I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. But it is still 100% glueless. Okay, so now for me, I want to show you guys how I would do it. So I'm going to pluck the baby hairs just a little bit. I'm actually going to leave these quite full. I'm not going to do it as thin as I did the body wave one. I don't know where my tweezers just went. And it's not that much stuff in front of me. It's like, how do I keep making stuff disappear? Let's go ahead and, actually, I'm gonna cut them first. And yeah.
When you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain holds you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah. You always leave me
I'll let this sit for a minute and then I will take it off, I guess, and put my perfect line in the part. Okay, so this is what it looks like right now. Still glueless, but you can see like my wig cap slid back, and my whole thing, my whole situation slid back, y'all. So I'm gonna put my perfect line in the parting area. And I don't put it directly at the like edge of the wig. I just like to take a rat tail comb or something and just brush it forward that way because I don't want it to be like all thick up there. Sometimes it can make the part look a little too wide, so I'll just go in with some eyeshadow. Like I always mix black and like a dark brown. Oh, that's the dark brown. And I'll just like go in like this and clean it up. Now we can put it right back on. Okay guys, so all done, and this is what the parting area looks like now. Look how good that looks. That looks like scalp. One of my nails isn't painted, that's why I keep trying to hide it, but look at that. It looks like freaking scalp. It's still glueless, 100%. The hair is so soft. This is what it looks like. It's literally one of my favorite textures from new. And this is the glueless unit. So it is still 100% glueless. Messed my baby hairs up a little bit. That's okay. Just swoop them to the side. And yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have everything that I used down below in the description box, including coupon codes and links and things like that. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.